Dear friends, welcome all. Myself, Mr. Sirsagar Yasar, working as an assistant professor in chemistry at Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Dada Patil Mahavidyalaya Karjan, District Ahmednagar. So today, second lecture of crystal structure. Outline of the topic is crystal systems. Second, properties of a crystal. Third, crystal lattice and unit cell. 4. Browse lattices. 5. Analysis of crystals by using X-ray. A. Introduction. B. Production of X-ray. C. Love method. Types of crystal systems. There are 230 forms of crystals available in the nature, which are grouped into 32 groups on the basis of geometry and further classified into 7 systems on the basis of axial angle and edge length. And 7 crystal systems gives 14 basic arrangement called Brav's lattices. Crystal systems. 1. Cubic crystal. For cubic crystal, so edge length A is equal to B is equal to C. And axial angles alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, all are 90 degree. Examples are NaCl, KCl, alum, diamond. Second crystal system, tetragonal. In tetragonal system, A is equal to B. So this A is equal to B but not equal to C. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. Examples are rutile TiO2, zircon ZrSiO4 and cassiterite SnO2. Third, orthorhombic crystals. In orthorhombic crystal system, A is not equal to B is not equal to C. But till alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degree. Examples are barium sulfate, potassium nitrate and rhombic sulfur. In case of hexagonal crystals, A is equal to B but not equal to C. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to alpha is equal to beta but is equal to 90 degree, but gamma is equal to 120 degree. Examples are zinc, magnesium, graphite, quartz. Fifth crystal system is rhombohedral or trigonal. In this system, A is equal to B is equal to C, but alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, not equal to 90 degree. The examples are ice, calcite, sodium nitrite. Monoclinic system. Here, A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Alpha and gamma is not equal to 90 degree, but beta is equal to 90 degree. Examples are gypsum, monoclinic sulfur, etc. Triclinic system. In triclinic system, A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Alpha, so not equal to beta, not equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. So examples are copper sulfate pentahydrate, potassium dichromate. There are 7 crystal systems which can be described as simple cubic. A is equal to B is equal to C, alpha, beta, gamma 90 degree. Tetragonal. A is equal to B but not equal to C, alpha, beta, gamma 90 degree. Orthorhombic. A is not equal to B is not equal to C, alpha, beta, gamma 90 degree. For rhombohedral, A is equal to B is equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma not 90 degree. For monoclinic system, A is not equal to B is not equal to C, alpha is not equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree, beta is not equal to 90. For triclinic system, A is not equal to B is not equal to C, alpha is not equal to beta is not equal to gamma is not equal to 90 degree. For hexagonal system, A is equal to B but not equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degree, gamma is equal to 120. Properties of crystals. Isotropy. Certain properties such as refractive index, electrical conductivity, solubility, thermal expansion are same in all directions. Such properties are called as isotropy. Examples are amorphous substance, liquids, gases. Anisotropy, if properties like refractive index, electrical conductivity, solubility, thermal expansion, etc. are different in different direction, such properties are called as isotropy. Example, ice, benzene, naphthalene, etc. Polymorphism, substance exists more than one crystalline form, or in other words we can say that existence of a substance more than one crystalline form called polymorphism. Examples are quartz, flint, opal are polymorphs of silica. Polymorphs of sulfurs are rhombic sulfur, monoclinic sulfur. Allotropy, existence of substance in more than one form. Examples are allotropes of carbon, carbon black, graphite, fullerene, and diamond. Transition temperature is the temperature at which one polymorph is converted into another. For example, rhombic sulfur is converted into monoclinic sulfur at 95.6 degrees centigrade. Bravais lattices. An infinite array of discrete points with an arrangement and orientation that appears exactly the same from any of the points the ray is viewed from. A three-dimensional Bravais lattice consists of all points with a position vector r that can be written as linear combination of primitive vectors. The expansion of coefficient must be integer. Unit cell, simplest repeating unit of a regular crystalline array, is called unit cells. 30 forms of crystals grouped into 32 groups, further classified into 7 systems, which gives 14 basic arrangements. So basic of crystal structure. Lattice is infinite periodic array of points in a space. Arrangement of points defines the lattice symmetry. Lattice may be 1, 2 or more dimensional. Bases are also called as motifs. A group of one or more atoms located in a particular way with respect to each other and associated with each point is known as motifs or bases. And crystal structure is equal to lattice plus motifs. You will get crystal structure will be as. Unit cell is basic structural fundamental repeating unit is called as unit cell. And unit cell is repeated and extension of unit cell in all. Unit cell types. Unit cell is the smallest component of a crystal that reproduces whole crystal when stacked with together. Primitive unit cell P unit cell contains only a single lattice point. Internal I unit cell contains an atom in a body centered. Face F unit cell contains atoms in all faces of a planes composing the cell. C centered C unit cell contains atoms centered on the sides of unit cell. So this one is a primitive. 8 atoms are at corners, 8 corners. This one is body centered. 8 atoms are at 8 corners plus 1 is at the center. In face centered unit cell, 8 atoms are at 8 corners and each at the center of faces. And in end centered, 8 atoms are at 8 corners and 2 are opposite ends. The 14 possible Bravais lattices are cubic. For cubic system, there are 3 again possible arrangements. Simple cubic, 8 atoms are at 8 corners. For body-centered cubic, 8 atoms are at 8 corners, 1 is at the center. For face-centered cubic, 8 atoms are 8 corners and each at the center of the face. For tetragonal system, 8 atoms are at 8 corners. It's called as simple tetragonal. And second one, body-centered tetragonal. So 8 atoms are at 8 corners, 1 is at the center. For orthorhombic system, there are 4 arrangements are possible. So first one is simple orthorhombic, in which 8 atoms are at 8 corners. Body-centered orthorhombic, in which 8 atoms are at 8 corners, 1 is at the center. For face-centered orthorhombic, 8 atoms are at 8 corners and each at face of the substance. For end-centered, 8 atoms are at 8 corners and 2 are opposite to the end centers. So these are called as end-centered orthorhombic. Hexagonal orthorhombic contains, in hexagonal systems, there will be only one possible arrangement. So that is called as simple hexagonal. Atoms are at each corner. Then after that, trigonal system. In trigonal system, only simple trigonal is there. All atoms are at corners. For monoclinic system, there are 2 types again, simple monoclinic and end-centered monoclinic. In simple monoclinic, atoms are at corners only. In end-centered monoclinic, atoms are at 8 corners as well as 2 are opposite ends. In a triclinic system, only there is one possibility. So simple trigonal system, only atoms are at corners. So there are 4 types of unit cell. Primitive, that is called as simple. I, body centered. F, face centered, and C, side centered. So 7 crystal systems grouped into 14 Bravais lattices. Arrangement of identical sphere in a simple cubic. So in a simple cubic, 8 atoms are 8 corners. So total number of points per unit cell is equal to 8 multiplied by contribution of one atom is 1 upon 8 is equal to 1 atom. For body-centered cube, so there are 8 atoms are at 8 corners and 1 is at the center. So total number of atoms per unit cell in a BCC is equal to 8 multiplied by 1 upon 8. Each atom makes contribution 1 upon 8 plus 1 is at the center is equal to 2 atoms. For face-centered unit cell, 8 atoms are 8 corners and each at the 6 faces. So total number of atoms per unit cell in FCC is equal to 8 multiplied by 1 upon 8 plus there are 6 faces whose contribution is 1 upon 2. So total number of atoms. Introduction of X-ray. X-ray were discovered by William Rontgen, who called them X-ray because the nature of first was unknown. So X-ray are also called as Rontgen rays. There are 2 types of X-rays, hard X-rays and soft X-rays depending upon energy and frequency. Hard X-ray have high frequency, more energy. Soft X-ray which have less penetrating power and low energy. So region of X-ray is 0.1 to 100 Armstrong unit. For analytical purpose, we use 0.7 to 2 Armstrong unit X-ray. Production of X-ray. X-ray are generated when high velocity electron impinge on a metal target. Approximately 1% of the total energy of electron beam is converted into X radiation. remainder being dispatched as heat. Many types of X-ray tubes are available which are used for producing X-ray. So cooling tube. A cooling tube consists of positive voltage in the form of anode having a target A, battery B to emit the thermonic electrons, and C, cathode filament of tungsten metal. The electrons are accelerated towards the target A. On striking the target, the electrons transfer their energy to its metallic surface, which gives off X-ray radiation. So two methods are suggested to study the crystal structure. First one is Lau method, second one is Bragg's method. We will study only Lau method. Lau consider crystal is obtained from arrangement of atoms, ions and molecules, which can be acts as diffraction grating, and diffraction pattern is often on photographic plate which will be studied, and from that diffraction pattern we will obtain information about crystal structure. Whenever X-ray produced in X-ray tube, so that will pass through the silt. Here these X-rays are polychromatic, which will be converted into monochromatic, that will be passed through the silt or polychromator. And incoming X-ray, sharp monochromatic X-ray, falls on a crystal, and that crystal is mounted on crystal holder, and then diffraction pattern is obtained on a photographic plate. And when we study this diffraction pattern, so undiffracted rays means that, so central points indicates undiffracted rays, and points which will be scattered in all direction, so these are called as diffracted points. And by knowing this information, we can calculate spacing between the planes as well as wavelength. In instrumentation of XRD, whenever X-ray generated in X-ray tube, so that will pass through the columnator to be lead sealed, so as to get polychromatic into monochromatic, and then it will be false on a crystal. Crystal is mounted on crystal cell, and in a crystal, atoms, ions and molecules which are arranged in a regular manner. Whenever X-ray pass through the crystal, then crystal acts as a diffraction grating, and it will be diffracted. So after that you will get diffraction pattern on photographic plate. So central spot indicates undiffracted rays, and certain points which are shown on photographic plate, so these are called as diffracted points. And by knowing the position of spot, we can give information about crystals. Thank you.